What is crime? A question that has puzzled societies for centuries. Crime, in its simplest form, is an act or omission that is prohibited by law. It's an action that not only violates the law, but also jolts the moral sentiments of society at large. As we delve deeper into this complex subject, it becomes clear that crime is not a static concept. It evolves, it shifts, and it transforms over time. Consider the phenomenon of polygamy as an example. Prior to the year 1955, it was not considered an offense. But with the enforcement of the Hindu Marriage Act in that very year, polygamy was labeled as a punishable offense under Section 494 of the Indian Penal Code. But why does crime change over time? The answer lies in the ever-evolving nature of societal norms and values. As societies grow and develop, so do their laws and moral codes. What was acceptable a century ago may be deemed criminal today. Take, for instance, the practice of child labor. In the 19th century, it was common for children as young as 5 to toil in factories and mines. However, as society evolved and the world became more aware of the rights of children, laws were enacted that criminalized child labor. And the evolution of crime isn't confined to the past. It continues today, with new forms of crime emerging in response to advancements in technology. Cybercrime, a term unheard of just a few decades ago, now poses one of the biggest threats to individuals and nations alike. So, to revisit our initial question, what is crime? It's an act or omission that is prohibited by law and revolting to societal moral sentiments. But remember, this definition is fluid, shaped by the changing norms and values of society. In summary, crime is not a static concept. It evolves with society, reflecting changing norms and values. From the transformation of polygamy into a punishable offense, to the criminalization of child labor and the emergence of cybercrime. The evolution of crime continues to shape our world. It's a fascinating subject that continues to evolve, revealing new facets and challenges as society progresses. So the next time you ponder the question, what is crime? Remember, it's not just about the act itself, but also about the societal context in which it occurs.